Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 1. Incorrect order.
Excuse me, waiter. I ordered the grilled chicken salad, but I received a pasta dish instead.
I apologize for the mistake, Emily. Let me take this back and I'll ensure you get the correct order as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm not a fan of pasta, so I was really looking forward to the salad.
I understand. Your satisfaction is our priority, and I'm sorry for any inconvenience.
It's okay. Mistakes happen. I appreciate your prompt response.
I'll get the correct order prepared right away. Thank you for your understanding.
Dialogue 2. Slow service.
Hello, waiter. We've been waiting for our appetizers for almost 30 minutes. Is everything okay in the kitchen?
I apologize for the delay, Jason. Let me check on your order and see what's causing the delay.
We're getting quite hungry, and we were hoping to catch a movie after dinner.
I understand, Jason. I'll expedite your order and I'll make sure it arrives promptly.
Thank you. We appreciate your attention to this matter.
I'll do my best to make sure the rest of your dining experience goes smoothly.
Dialogue 3. Uncomfortable seating.
Excuse me, hostess. We were hoping for a quiet corner table, but this one is right next to a large group celebrating.
I'm sorry to hear that, Sophie. Let me find you a more comfortable and quieter spot.
Thank you. We wanted a more intimate setting for our anniversary dinner.
I completely understand. We want to make your celebration special. Please follow me to a better table.
That's much better. We appreciate your assistance.
I hope you have a wonderful anniversary celebration. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Dialogue 4. Overcooked steak.
Excuse me, chef. I ordered the steak medium rare, but it looks well done.
I apologize for the error, Tom. Let me prepare a new one for you right away.
I was really looking forward to a juicy medium rare steak.
I understand, Tom. We want to make sure you enjoy your meal. Your new steak will be ready shortly.
Tom, thank you for fixing this. I appreciate your attention to customer satisfaction.
We aim to provide the best dining experience. I apologize for any inconvenience.
Dialogue 5. Allergic reaction concerns.
Waiter, I mentioned my nut allergy when ordering, but I found almonds in my salad.
I'm terribly sorry, Lisa. This is a serious matter. Let me remove the dish and get you something safe immediately.
I appreciate your quick response. I need to be very careful about allergens.
Your safety is our top priority. We'll take extra precautions with your new order.
Thank you. I hope this doesn't happen again.
We'll ensure better communication to prevent any future incidents. I apologize sincerely.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.